Hey guys, Shred at UPR here. I wanted to show you our Billet rear ride height adjuster kit for 2005 to 2014 Mustangs. If you've ever wanted to adjust the rear ride height of your S197 Mustang independently of the front, let's say you have a set of low ring springs and it has too much rake, or maybe you don't have enough rake and you want to bump it up. We make these billet aluminum adjustable collars that sit directly on top of the axle housing where the factory spring would sit. This just sits on there, no hardware, no welding, no nothing. It sits on the housing. And then the factory spring sits on top of this adjuster. Now, in addition to working with the factory springs or the aftermarket, lowering springs, you can use traditional coil-over type springs. They're the 3-inch outer diameter springs. So let's say for most applications, I'll recommend a 10-inch long, 150-pound spring. But if the car is heavier than normal, I might recommend a 175. Or if the car has a tall tire in the back, I might want to do a 12-inch spring for the 28 rather than a 10-inch spring on the normal size tire. This just gives you the flexibility of adjusting the height on the existing springs and the ability to change to other springs that might be better suited for your application. So check out our website at uprproducts.com and pick up a set of these billet aluminum ride height adjusters.